Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Trainers Association of India, Meghalaya State Branch, Hinagasi Kalapanlong, Yaka 15 State Student Nurses Association, India Biennial State Conference, Hakalarity International Performing Arts and Culture Center, Maukasyang. Yakan ka 15 State Student Nurses Association India Biennial State Conference lapli perda da UMP ka Lok Sabha u Dr. Ki AJ Singkon hagajiran lang u Director ka Negrims Hospital Shillong u Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta kinongkit kam ka Train Nurses Association of India ki samla pule nurse bat kiwe habakran ka ngaski na kalyang u Dr. Ki u Loong bakum kini gijing kendo kadan kambha nang bakandan kata gajing pun ko bo ki nurse hagajing tray jongki lingba kajinya sam jingtep pat kajinya trelang para maki u Dr. Ki ulapan pauru bahaka por bawan ling shop ka khlam COVID-19 dekinos ki batre shitam bat yakendo shibun kijing e baharukom kajing long Shlur jongki ban ajing Sumar yaki bapang nakani ka khlam COVID ka MNC migi pat ba bat ya ka imlang ka salang.
For the year 2000, Miss Joyful Mary Mama.
For me to stand before you at this important occasion, which is the annual conference of the Student Nurses Association. We have picked up the theme of this year's conference, Learning Today, Leading Tomorrow, a Journey of a Nursing Student. Well, this theme, I would say, is both timely and it is profound. It beautifully encapsulates the spirit of your calling, a journey that begins in the classroom and ultimately to improving, uplifting and transforming the life of many through care, compassion and clinical excellence. Well, let me begin by recognizing the invaluable contribution of the Trained Nurses Association of India and the Student Nurses Association of India. Since its establishment in 1908, the NAI has stood as a pillar of strength for the nursing profession in India by upholding high standards, advocating for nurses' rights, and also playing a pivotal role in shaping healthcare policy. The SNAI, which was formed in 1929, is now approaching its centenary, which is indeed an extraordinary milestone. It has served as a vibrant platform for student nurses to grow intellectually, professionally, and socially, preparing these nurses not just to serve, but also to lead. Well, I am delighted to note that the Meghalaya State Branch of the SNAI received a significant performance award at the 77th TNAI National Conference, which was held in Guwahati in the year 2023. This is a well-deserved recognition, which I think it calls for a round of applause to public health initiatives. You are present in every corner of our healthcare system. You are calm in crisis, compassionate in care, and consistent in your commitment. I remember during COVID-19 pandemic, dear nurses, you all rose to the challenge in ways that words can hardly do justice, demonstrating unwavering courage, exceptional professionalism, and a remarkable resilience amid fear, amidst uncertainty and exhaustion. You were the steady hands in the midst of chaos, the calm in the storm, and the compassionate presence in moments of profound isolation. You were always there. It is no exaggeration to say that you were and continue to be the backbone of our national healthcare response, the true warriors in both spirit and in service. Thank you so much. Now, as you stand on the cusp of professional life, I urge you to remain grounded in the values that brought you here. Value of compassion, integrity, and service. Stay curious, this is very important. Embrace lifelong learning, and let your leadership be guided not only by knowledge, but by wisdom and empathy. Nursing is more than a profession. It is a mission that touches countless lives and uplifts the entire community. 81 number of students in our state, as I heard earlier. Well, this movement is not only alive, I would say it is also thriving. And it is a matter of great pride and a testament to your collective commitment. Well, to each nursing student here today, I want to say this. Well, I understand that your journey is indeed not easy. You have chosen a path that demands extraordinary discipline, emotional strength, and an unwavering dedication. Your days are filled with lectures, clinical rotation, examinations, and hands-on care. What you do, I believe, you study the human body with precision and treat human suffering with grace. Thank you so much. More than anything, you learn to become and have been a source of strength to many when others are at their weakest. And thank you for this too. But your training is not confined to medical knowledge or procedural expertise. It is just as much about developing empathy, emotional intelligence, and ethical clarity. You learn to listen with intent, to act with integrity, and to work as an essential part of a team in high pressure environment, which is often not very easy, but you have done it, and I'm sure you'll continue to do it. You are not just future nurses. You are, as many of my previous speakers have mentioned, you are the future leaders, the future educators, the future reformers of healthcare in our state, in our nation, and even the world. Well, in our healthcare ecosystem, the role of the nurses or the nurse is indispensable. You are the ones who offer direct patient care, manage complex treatment routines, educate patients and even families. I had experienced that myself with my dad, with my mother and my wife. They are no longer here, but you have, helped me, helped us lots as a family.